my channel! Mom, what are we making today?
Sweet potato brownies, Zane.
What? Sweet potato brownies? For sweet potato brownies, first we need a bowl. A big bowl. So we need 1 cup of baked sweet potato. To that, we add 1 cup of peanut butter. We're adding one third cup of cacao powder, 1/3 cup of maple syrup.
Okay.
Now let's mix everything together. Okay guys, let me show you how this looks. Now I'm adding chocolate chips. Should I just dump the whole thing?
Yeah.
Let's try the batter.
How is it?
Good. Put it in a baking sheet. Instead of peanut butter, you can add almond butter or wow butter. Now we're gonna bake it at 350, which is 20 to 25 minutes. Waiting for brownies, I'm waiting for brownies. I can't wait. Toothpick time! Well, okay. Loca, 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 loca.
What do you think?
Crunchy from the outside and gooey from the inside.
And how does it taste? Is it delicious? Okay. So did you like the sweet potato brownies?
Yes, I did. Enjoy my video.